Here is vocabulary from lesson 5-8 in Signing Naturally. We are going to start with something called numerical pronouns or plural pronouns. They are pronouns that incorporate numbers. You've already done some of them before, but we're going to learn more. So you remember the two of us, or the two of us, the two of them, the two of you. So those are numerical pronouns. But now we are going to incorporate more people, more numbers. So you can do the two of us, the two of you, the two of them, but you can also do the three of us, the three of you, the three of them, all the way up to the number 9. Most numerical incorporation, signs that have numbers already included in them, are 1 through 9, well, 2 through 9. After, from 10 and after, you just do like the 10 of us 10. Okay, so numerical incorporation for us, numbers 2 through 9, the two of us, the three of us, the four of us, etc., are all going to be near you because they're going to include you. You are part of us. When I'm talking about us, I mean me as well. Okay, so the two of us, or the two of us, both of those include me. If I say the three of us, it's a 3-hand shape with your palm facing up, and you do a little circle motion with your palm facing up near you and the people that you're talking about. So if I'm talking about my brother and my sister, and I say the three of us are going to go do something, it's going to include, I'll be pointing to me and I'll be pointing to them while I do my little circles. All right. So 3 of us, 4 of us is just a 4. 5 of us is just a 5. Same motion there, little circles. 6, 7 of us, 8 of us, 9 of us. Okay. Now, if we do them, it's not near me and it's not near you because I'm not including you. It's over there or over there or wherever I put them. Okay. So let's for this example, put them over here. So them, those people over there are going to a restaurant. Okay, so I'm going to say the two of them, like that. Or now I start with circles. The 3 of them, the 4 of them, the 5 of them. It's not near me because I'm not included. It's the 5 of them, 6 of them, 7 of them, 8 of them, 9 of them. Or they could be over here, right? 4 of them, wherever you put them. All right, now we're going to include you. So if you are part of the 3 people who are going to the restaurant, then I can say the 3 of you, the 4 of you, the 5 of you, the 6 of you. But I'm going to be pointing to all of you who are going to go. 6 of you, 7 of you, like pointing with these fingers. 7 of you, 8 of you, 9 of you. The next vocabulary word is on this list is morning. We're going to do morning, noon, afternoon, and night. So you will know all those. Now, all of these relate to the sun. Okay, so we're going to look at the sun and the horizon for all of these signs. So for morning, you want your non-dominant hand to be the horizon. And again, you'll drop your shoulder so it's about at waist height. Okay. And then your dominant hand will have a flat hand shape as well. The palm of your hand on your dominant hand shows the direction of the sun. Okay, so your hand represents the sun, but your palm shows the direction of it. Okay, so non-dominant hand this way, and this is your horizon. That will help you as you learn these signs. Okay, so in the morning, the sun comes up over the horizon. Okay, you can be very specific about what you're talking about. If you say, we're going to have lunch, like breakfast at 5:30 a.m., you'll be like, woo, this is morning. Okay. But if you're going to meet for breakfast at 10 in the morning, it's going to kind of be more up here. All right. If I just say to you, good morning, it would probably be about here, unless we're meeting at 5:30 a.m. All right. So morning. Ready? Noon, now keep your horizon there on your non-dominant hand. Noon is just going to go straight up. So it looks like that, but with your shoulders down. because the sun is sort of ideally straight up at noon. All right. So this is your dominant hand here. Noon. Afternoon, now the sun is going down. So your palm is going to be facing down. So you still got your horizon, but now the sun is on top of it. Remember with morning, it was under it. Now it's on top of it. The sun is on top of the horizon and it's going down. So again, like if you're going to meet at 1 in the afternoon, it might be up here. If you're going to meet at 4:30 in the afternoon, it might be down here. Both of them mean afternoon. And if you just do, that's fine too. You don't have to be specific where it is. Night or evening. Now imagine that the sun has gone all the way down and now it's night. Okay. So I have seen it with the palm, with a flat hand on the non-dominant hand, but most often I see an S. So I'm going to suggest that you make an S with your non-dominant hand. And then again, you've got that sun. So it's not as flat as it was before in morning and afternoon and noon. It's more like a curved hand shape. So this is, and some people bounce it, night or evening. And if it's really late, I've seen some people even come all the way down. Okay. Night or evening. All day. So all day is just like day, only you have an open hand, a flat hand shape, and you start like way over here. Day just starts up and goes down. Here you start at your right or left and then go over to your left or right. All day. It's like you're grabbing the whole day, all day with that flat hand shape. Weekend. So this can be signed a couple of different ways. See if I can remember all of them. So you start with week and then you just drop off the end. You can keep the same hand shape or do like I did. Okay. So weekend. 1 week ago. So if you're talking about in the past, this is the signs are kind of combined. You wouldn't do 1 week ago. I mean, I suppose you could. It's not very ASL. It's too many signs for ASL. So 1 week ago is 1 week past. You just 1 and week and past all together, right? Last week or a week ago. You can do 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, etc. 1 week into the future, or we say in English, next week, would be, it can be signed 2 ways actually. So there's week future. So it's like, here's the week, and then you go around it a little bit. Week future. Or you can do next week. That's how I learned it. Next week. Either way, I would say I probably see this more, but that's 1 week in the future or next week. Future weekend. In English, we would say next weekend. But in ASL, you say future weekend. You could probably also do next weekend. It's the weekend coming up. Past weekend would be last weekend. So you do past weekend. The next sign is sightseeing. You want 2 V hand shapes with your palms facing down. These represent eyes. Well, each one represents eyes. And you just look around. Sightseeing. You look and look and look and look and look all over. Museum is 2 M hand shapes. Palms facing out, hands touching, and then you come straight away from each other and straight down. Museum. It's also the sign for Montana. I don't know why. Party. There are 2 ways of signing party. One is, well, I don't know which one's more common. All right, so start with P's on both hands for party. and you are going to, like, palms facing you, okay, and you're going to push them out and in like you're on a swing, okay, but really fast. So that's party. So that obviously is an initialized sign. Some initialized signs are going out of vogue right now, and so they are being replaced with non-initialized signs, which some deaf people like better. So another alternative, or something that you might see for party, is 2 Y hand shapes. Palms facing you, and you go left and right together. All right, so that's also one sign for party. If you are going to host a party, the way that it is signed is adopt or take a party. Okay, so if you're the host, you are the one who takes the party. Well, okay, so that would be if, like, I am the host. If I'm going to host, it would be, because that's a verb. All right, celebrate. So we've done that one before, celebrate. A lot of people, so I learned it this way, but a lot of people don't clap first. They just do celebrate. So I'll probably recommend that one to you. Skiing is 2 X hand shapes with your palms facing up, but they're offset a little bit. One is kind of more in front of the other one. They're not equal, okay? And then you just go downhill on your skis. This movement comes from your elbows. Amusement park, you want 2 bent V hand shapes. And I imagine, what is that called? A Ferris wheel. That's what that looks like to me. So just little circles. Fun. Fun is a great sign. You can either finger spell it. That's how it's done in your signing naturally book. But I've always seen it and used it with 2 U hand shapes. With your dominant hand, you touch your nose and then you hit. Fun. Swimming is 2 5. Yeah, so kind of open 5 hand shapes. Well, no, you're going to want to put your fingers together this way. Swimming. You can see they kind of bend a little bit. Swimming. Sunbathing, or like tanning or whatever. So this is a sign for sun. And then you're going to take that same hand shape that ends, that's the end of sun, and you're going to put it up there like a sun, and you just kind of rotate it like you're just sitting over and over and over and over in the sun. Okay, so sunbathing. Basketball can be signed 2 ways. There's this one, which is a bent 5 hand shape. And what you do is you're going to push your thumbs out, like mirror image of each other. Basketball. The other way is basketball. To play pool, you just have a stick, right? And you visit is 2 V hand shapes with your palms facing you, and alternately you have, imagine these are 2 people, okay? Alternately, these people come, and then these people, and then these people, okay? So a little faster. Visit. And then take it easy, or just hang out, chill. All right, so it's just 5 kind of relaxed 5 hand shapes, and your wrists do the movement here. So down on one side, down on the other side. Take it easy. That is 5-8.